Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. My name is Samir Javed, and today we'll be learning about an interesting word feature that is called mail merge. So let's start off with this. So, mail merge is a very interesting feature where you can utilize a list of records and merge them into a Word document. So let's see how it can be done. Over here we have a sample invitation letter where we want to customize it and personalize it for each attendee. Let's go to the mailings ribbon over here where the mail merge features are available. Over here you can create envelope, printouts, labels, and other features. So I have created a sample list. Before we start, I can show you. I have created a sample list of invitees over here with some of their basic details for a mock corporate event. So we'll select start mail merge over here. It has multiple options. You can select letters for sending out courier letters of invitations. You can select email messages, so the same content will be formatted as an email, and once you finish it, it will be sent out as an email from your default email client. You can use it for creating envelope printouts and labels and directories. So for now we will cover select letters. Second, we need to give source of the list word. So you can either type a new list. If you open this, it will give you an option to create your own list right here, or if you already have an existing list, you can select it from here. So I'll just go down to the document that I have created. So it shows me the sheets. If it has more than one sheet, it will show you over here. You can select which one you want to use. And just to make sure everything is being shown, I just go to the edit recipient list, and it shows me all the records that are available over there. I can deselect any one of these if I don't want to include anyone, so it will not show me and merge it into the document. Okay, so let's start changing our document. I want to include the designation of the invitee over here, so I just remove this, and over here in the ribbon we have an option insert merge field. I select and a drop down pops up in front of me, and I select designation over here. Next, I want to add the company name. Then I want to add this person's email address here, and lastly I want to add the address of the company over here. Next, to further personalize the letter, I'll add title over here and add the first name and surname. So it will give a personalized touch to the letter. So these are the basic details that I can include. If I had more details over here, I can include them as well as in where I need in the document. And once I'm done and I'm sure that these are the only things I want to include, then I'll click on the preview results, and immediately it will show the first record of my invitees list, and it has mapped all the information that I have included over there. You can see, can show the complete names. Just to make sure I have everyone included in the list, I can browse through this. There were 9 records over there, so it will show all the 9 records just for my preview. Remember, this is the preview version, and to complete the mail merge feature, I will have to select the finish merge option over here. It gives me three options. First option is to edit individual documents. What it will do is it will create a new document. Whatever I've done, it will merge this into a new document, and then you can edit or print that document as needed, or you can directly print this exact document. It will send out the print for all the number of records that are there. And third option is that it can send an email to all the recipients, provided their email addresses are there. Today we're going to select the individual documents. It will give an option to select all the records, or it can give me an option to select a current record. This will select only the one that I'm currently standing at, and I can also give a range. For example, I want to print only first 5 records, so I can do that. So I select all, and as soon as I do that, it creates new documents named letters1, and you can see that it has created 9 pages for this document, meaning it has created a document for each one of the records that I can go through. This can also allow me to customize a few more things if I want to, and just send it out directly to the printer, and we'll be done with the merge. This is all for today. We just went through a brief overview of mail merging features on Word, which can help you in creating invitation letters. You can create multiple documents. You can create a brief output of any particular list. It can be a student list, it can be an invitee list. So you can use the data that you have. You can also create one if you don't have one. If you have a list somewhere written, you can use it and write down in Word itself. So it gives you a lot of options to use a list of invitees or use list of records and use them in personalized letters. Until our next video, take care and Allah Hafiz.